Hello there. Glad to have you join us again on Business Breakfast. Let's get talking now. Let's look at what's playing out at the Nigerian exchange and then bring to bear some of the projections for midweek trading at the NGS. Before we get talking, let me tell you that on Tuesday, the negative trajectory persisted in Nigeria's equities market with a decline of 1.30%, leading to a closure of 730 billion naira as investors predominantly divested their holdings in Boa Cement PLC, PZ Cousins, Honeywell Flour Mills, and NEM Insurance. Both oil shale index and market capitalization experienced a downturn, reaching 101,060.67 basis points and 55.29 trillion naira respectively. This resulted in a 4.41% decrease in the stock market, pushing the month returns into negative territory by 0.09%. The year-to-date return to the markets decreased to 35.16%. My very good friend, Ambrose Omodio, is on the other side, joining me now live virtually to look at some of this issue and also give us some insights into trading activities for today. Ambrose Omodio is the Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Ambrose, good morning. It's a pleasure having you join me on the program.
Thanks for having me, yeah.
Ambrose, give us some insights. Take us through all that played out yesterday at the exchange. We're seeing some kind of pull out from the shares of Boa Cement, PZ Cousins, and also Honeywell Flour Mills and NEM Insurance. What's happening? What's playing out at the exchange at this point in time?
Yeah, I'm not surprised that the market is on the correction or for pullback technically.
Yes.
We expected that after market rally for starting from the month of October, after the little drop in the month of September, market remained an uptrend. We expected that at this point we will call profit taking. At the same time, alternative investment position also at the work of the strengthening of the market. We have seen that we are seeing a higher use from fixed income market. That also is playing now. But on the strength of the inflation that is released last week, investors are seeing the inflation that portfolio. That's why we are seeing some sell-off with some industries, some because to use their exposure in that sector, in that particular stock, to move to other ahead of the equity meeting. For me, what is happening in the market is natural. It is called market dynamics. No market demand the uptrend, no market demand nothing. This observation we are seeing is what creates opportunity to value. Market before now has what we call on the institutional place. So the market breaking down the T line yesterday. For this morning, we also see the market at times found again. As a result of what, buy interest in the same watchmen that put the market down yesterday. But I believe that investors in the market or traders in the market are using the opportunity ahead of any season, ahead of the MPC meeting, to kind of look at where would I take in position, where should I reduce my exposure, so that when the outcome of MPC meeting hit the market reaction, I will be in a better position or a better industry or sector so that I can take advantage of what the outcome of the MPC meeting. That is what is going on now. But don't forget that I think that this first quarter, we're going to see corporate earnings for the year ended 2023 financial year that comes with the reward, with some form of dividends for shareholders. If this reward comes and it is expectation, I'm going to see the market also rebounding. And when market pull back like this, market gather more strength than when they rebound. The fact, they hide the because before pulling back. These are the things that when you see market pulling back, yes, position will be affected. But I tell you, when market pull back, they gather more strength to go up. No market is meant for market. One market is released with the opportunity for investors to buy at a low price and sell at high price. So we traders are doing either with trading, big trading, also know how to get advantage of the market isolation. For me, there's no cost allowed. But don't forget that when there's also a kind of attractive return on other investment, we have now. But because of inflation, I would say no matter the need in the physical market, because the inflation is almost 30, I say that February inflation because it's about that one, that also influence. That's why the outcome of today, JDB of auction and the outcome of equity meeting next week, Monday and Tuesday, both determine the next step in the market.
Take us through what's playing out in the banking stocks and what's also playing out in the services sector as well.
Yeah, well, before now, I told you that the high cap stocks that put the market up are the ones that also that are coming now as investors also taking profit in those stocks. But I believe that banking stock has rallied before now. Now it has slowed down, pulling back as a lot of profit taking. But don't forget that in the history of Nigeria stock market, the most consistent industry that pay dividend is banking sector.
Yes, very
true.
true.
It's a part of one of the factors that you need to work to evaluate the banking stock. For me, banks are preparing for capitalization. At the same time, the FPC, if the high rate, banks will be a major net benefit from rate hike. Yes, people might say it's going to affect not performing loan because if rate hike and people are not able to pay their loan, that will affecting the banks not performing loan. But I say that Nigerian banks are smarter anytime, any day. I believe that the bank will take advantage of this high yield we are seeing in money market instruments, being that they are the major player in that space.
Ambrose, it's midweek trading activities at the NGS. What is the figure looking like? What is the mood of the market today? And how do you think the trading is going to end later on today when the figures will be out by 2:30 p.m.?
Yeah, actually, looking at the opening of the market this morning, there's a sign that the high capital that put the market down is trying to put the market up again. That's why I said it again, that in any market you are looking, the benchmark index is not enough really to conclude. You can look at the sectoral index on the individual performance, seeing the market calculating now because market pullback for 2 days. This morning we have seen watchmen gaining again to put the market up back. That is that it is this high capital that for you as a trader to focus on those industries that you want to play safe and those individual stocks. But for me, market is likely to close positive if no trend change because as far as in the life of watchmen and with the beginning this morning, market will remain an uptrend. But this is not a full reflection of the market because we have more impact on the index to keep the market up.
With all we're seeing now, we're wrapping up with all we're seeing now. What's your advice to investors that are currently investing from the local perspective now and those who are intending to invest? What advice do you have for them and how do you expect them to trade their investments now?
Yeah, what it is that I will tell market players now that it depends on the objective. If you are income investor, which means you're targeting dividend income for company. By now, look at this company that has good performance of their earnings because no company will give you what they don't have. When the company earnings is strong, they can pay good dividends. Those earnings that have done well in Q1, in Q2, Q3, that's what we're looking at. And also, if you are a trader, you have to be in a position before the earnings are important. And the pullback we are seeing, this opportunity for you to buy into those of that trendy. When we trend so that can go up and down. When you come down, when there is that to go and you go up, you still take your profit as a trader. But for income investor, target dividend paying stock with what is strong fundamental.
We'll leave it at that. Ambrose Omodio, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Many thanks for your time with me on the show this morning.
Thanks for having me.
All right, now let's shift focus now to the conversation segment of the program. Yet what's coming up on the show this morning? The economic implication of the renewed hope monetary policy to revitalize the economy has made the naira value to plummet, impacting negatively on economic agents, specifically on the insurance sector. Crude oil prices regain some ground in early Asian trade today as investors weighed concerns over output cuts by key producers and attack on shipping in the Red Sea against dimmed expectations of U.S. rate cuts. Let's get talking about this and many more after this time out. Gladly stay with us. It's Business Breakfast on iBrand Television.